Join me as I dive into the world of electric vehicles and challenge myself to drive 100 miles in one day, all while testing out the latest tech. The world is shifting, and we're electrifying the way we drive. It's no secret that the transportation landscape is undergoing a radical transformation. Electric vehicles are taking center stage, and for good reason. They're cleaner, quieter, and more efficient than their gas-guzzling counterparts. But what's driving this shift, and what does it mean for our daily commutes? Traditional vehicles have long been plagued by pollution and a reliance on fossil fuels. The environmental impact is undeniable, from smog-choked city streets to the devastating effects of climate change. It's clear that we can't keep going on like this. We need a sustainable solution, and fast. The writing's on the wall, the internal combustion engine's days are numbered. Automakers are already feeling the pressure, with many countries setting ambitious targets for electric vehicle adoption. But it's not just about meeting regulations, it's about creating a better future. The reality is that our cars are poisoning our planet. The World Health Organization estimates that air pollution from vehicles kills over 2 million people every year. It's staggering. And it's not just human health that's at risk, our planet's very ecosystem is under threat. The good news is that electric vehicles are gaining traction. We're seeing rapid advancements in technology, from improved battery life to sleek, high-performance designs. Governments are getting on board, offering incentives for EV buyers and investing in infrastructure. The automotive industry is undergoing a seismic shift, and consumer behavior is changing too. People are waking up to the benefits of electric vehicles, and they're demanding more. Governments around the world are implementing policies to encourage the adoption of electric vehicles. In Norway, for example, EVs are exempt from taxes, and owners get perks like free tolls and parking. It's working. Over half of all new car sales in Norway are electric. Here in the States, we're seeing a surge in EV sales, driven in part by federal and state-level incentives. The challenge is to scale up production and infrastructure to meet demand. That's where the industry's biggest players come in. Companies like Tesla, GM, and VW are investing heavily in electric technology, and it's paying off. We're seeing breakthroughs in battery tech, faster charging times, and a slew of new models hitting the market. One of the biggest breakthroughs in recent years has been the development of solid-state batteries. These game-changing batteries offer improved range, faster charging, and reduced costs. It's a holy grail for electric vehicles, and it's getting us closer to parity with traditional cars. Another major milestone is the commitment from major automakers to go fully electric. Brands like GM and Volvo are pledging to electrify their entire lineups in the coming years. It's a sea change, and it's happening fast. So what does this mean for the future of driving? It means cleaner air, reduced carbon emissions, and a healthier planet. It means quieter streets, improved performance, and a whole new world of possibility. The electrification of transportation is a movement, and it's gathering pace. Join the conversation. What do you think about the rise of electric vehicles? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the future of driving, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the latest advancements in autonomous tech. Thanks for watching.